just feel bad for doing that every time. Changing that. Fucking pay so much for these fuckers.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta though with the chum.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I know we didn't do good hanging this one, but we'll get better. Better at hanging.
All their noses are all fucked up. No, fuck, I wonder if we can just leave it in here. Alright. Starting to get a little bit now.
I'll be down. Smoke every chum that we get.
Shit, maybe we should, bro.
I'll be down.
That one's kind of nice.
Heck yeah, man.
It's a silver.
Ooh.
No? Or is it a chum?
Oh yeah, I can see the.
That's a bright ass chum.
That is a bright ass chum. And does it got teeth? Yeah, it has teeth. Big toofers. Big teeth fish. Yeah, this is going on the YouTube. YouTube. Woo! Yeah.
That's why it's at the most weirdest spot, man.
Ooh, look at that motherfucker.
That's a big chum.
Nice. We should fucking get David to come down here and do a couple drifts.
Yeah.
He has drier fucking Neos than us.
Is he?
Yeah, he's been using Bubs. Brand new shit. Is it fucker?
It's a fucking pig.
Fuck yeah, look at that one. Fuck yeah, dude.
Hey, you should take a picture.